I use the series with numpy with the random.random. This created me like this, and this I converted into a data frame. Now doing the manipulations with the data frame, guys. Now before doing the manipulations, just I asked you, like, if this is a dictionary, I want to insert a value into the dictionary. How you will insert? Insert a key value pair. When I said the value means key value pair inside the dictionary. How you will do that? Take a non-existing key. Take a non-existing key and assign a value to this. This will be automatically inserted into this. Take a non-existing key and insert it. Now let's see the data frame. df, what's the name? Student. Okay. Now I want to insert a column into this. Okay. Okay. Before that, let me show you how to get the columns. We can get the two ways we can get the columns, guys. How? df underscore std in the square bracket. How you give the key over here? Just like I want to print it something like, okay. Now I want to print it dic. I want to print the C value. C value. How you will give it? C, right? In the same way here, take this one as a keys. And these are the values. Okay, these are the values. Okay. Name as a value A, B, C, D. Class as a value 10, 20, 10, 12, 11, 10. Like that. Now I want to get the computer science values. Take this as a key and these are the values. How you will get it? Give the computers. Got it? Now you will get all the values. Okay? Clear, guys? Now there is one more way is there. df underscore std dot. When you use the dot, you can use the dot and get it over here. Now I want to get the signs. Dot signs. Now I strongly recommend you to go with this one. Okay? Because don't go with this one. Because there's a lot of cases you will be finding a dilemma over there. So in that case, you have to remember both of them. So this is the best way. Now let's see this. I am having df underscore std. I want to get both like computers and science, both. Now df underscore std. If I want the computers, I will give it like this. I want the science also, multiple records. Then comma science. But one thing you have to take care of that, keep it this one in the nested square brackets, nested square brackets over here, or nested list, whatever you call it as, like this. Okay, guys. Now when I do this one more is missing. Got it? Yeah, this is not slicing. I'm getting the selected columns, not slicing. Don't get confused with the slicing. This I'm getting the selected columns. Now, whatever you want to get it, you can get it. Now, let's take it like df underscore student. Okay, I want the name. I want the computer science and computers and science both. There's no particular pattern is there, right? So, how you will give it, guys? df underscore std. Yeah. Name is correct. Okay. Name and then computers. Make sure of with the same format. I've done a mistake of giving one caps and one small. Science. Okay. Now, guys, remember sometimes what exactly happens is when you are importing the data from the external source, external source must be anything like Excel or CSV or anything. This time when they gave it, they may give some space over here, class and space, or before class there is a space, or before computers, after computer there is a space. Then you should give the space over here, then only it will come down, otherwise you will not get it. Most of the time the people get confused over there, and it will clearly say that no such column exists. That's a key error you are going to get. You will be shocked. This is there. Why it is showing an error? But make sure of that. In that case, if you want to see all the columns, you give it df, and here you can't see it, guys. You can't see the space over here. So df std dot columns. Then you will get all the, here you will see if there is any space. Okay, most of the time you will see over here, and then you can copy this and put it over there. Okay, clear? If you want to see the index also, we have it. Index. There we are going to take a special class for the classes, columns, and the index also. But just as of now, you know it. So we have seen some basic operations over here. Data frame, and I want to get a single column over here. Sorry, I overwritten the single column. df underscore std, single column means computer. Like this, I will get it. Now there is one more way also we can do it like this. Okay, like this. Both the ways, try to do it, guys. And don't go with this one. I strongly recommend, because you will be in a confused situation most of the time. Okay. Now I want to add a new column over here. Let me take it df underscore student. Now which column you want to add? Let's say that maths column. Okay. Now if I try to get it, I will get a key error, because there is no such column over there. To that column, non-existing column, as you did it with the dictionary, non-existing key, you added a value. Here what you can do it is, non-existing column, you have to give it any value. How many values you are there? 4, right? So maths, I will give it as maybe 90, 88, 69, and 82. Okay, 4 values. So what it will happen is, a new column will be inserted. For that, we will be getting 90, 88, 69, 82. Okay, df underscore st. Here, guys. Okay. Now let me add it one more column over here. df underscore or add it in Pota. I will take it from my home. I am having there. Or it's there, right? Net to the guys online. Can you see this? Power. Oh, okay. Just give me 1 second. These people are not able to see. There was a power cut. Sound వస్తుందా? రావట్లేదు. చాలా తెలుసు. Super clear. Hema, that's good. You can see it, but the problem is these people cannot see it over here. Offline people, there is. ఎట్లా మరి వాళ్ళకి కనిపిస్తుంది, మీకు కనిపించట్లేదు. వాళ్ళకి తెలియపోరు కానీ ఇవన్నీ తీయాలి. కుండలాలు సౌండ్ అక్కడి నుంచేనా? జాగ్రత్త పడుతుందేమో. Guys who are online, just give us some time. Let me. Okay, it's clarified. I think so. That's light is coming down. Yeah. Let's continue with it, guys. Okay. Now this is what I did it with a new column with equal number of values. Okay, equal number of values. Let me take it one more column, guys. df underscore std. I will give it as total. Now for this, I want to put down some single value. I want to put all the NaNs. How I'll do it, NaN? How I'll give the NaN value, guys? NaN means what? How you will invoke a NaN? np.nan. Don't give it like this, NaN. This is wrong. Don't give it like this. How you have to give it? Okay. Now what happens is a new column will be invoked. దీని గురించి వెయిట్ చేస్తాం. అది ఒక్కోసారి రావట్లేదమ్మా, సౌండ్ వస్తుంది బాగా. ల్యాంప్ ఏదైనా ఇష్యూవా? ఎక్కడ పోయింది? సౌండ్ వచ్చింది, మళ్ళీ కొంచెం వెనక్కి వచ్చింది. Guys who are online, just give us some more time, please. Because there is a repair over here. They are cleaning the things. Yeah, guys, let's continue it. So when we are adding a new column over here, to that new column, we are inserting a value. A common value is being inserted. What's the common value? NaN. Now let me run this one. Okay. And I will give it def underscore std. I got it. Here. Now, okay, I don't want these values. I want to change it to something else. Then you can give it like maybe 200 or something. Now all of them will be replaced with 200. Got it, guys? Clear? Now I don't want this one also. What I wanted is, now how to identify this one? How to get the total? Only total. def underscore std of total, right? This is the way I will get it. And use the del in front of this. Have you seen it anytime, this del before? Yeah, so many times you have done it. That's why I said it. This is a traditional way which will be working every time. It's gone. def underscore std. Gone. Okay. So now I want to make the total as addition of computers, science, and maths. So how I'll give it? df underscore std of total is equals to, now which one we wanted? df underscore computers plus df std science plus df underscore std maths. Plus df underscore std science plus df underscore std maths. We'll get that? df underscore std. How to get the average, guys? Total? మొత్తం చెప్పు, నాకు కూడా తెలుసు average అంటే total by 2 అని. df std of average is equals to total divided by 3. Will I get it? Got it, guys? Now I don't want this one to be this much, the R symbol. I want it to be only 1. Tell me. I know that round will work over there. Everyone, tell me. Bolo, round work. I know that round it will work for round. But how you will give the round over there? Yeah, say that properly. NP dot round of df underscore std average. Which one you want to round up, guys? This one, right? This one you want to round up, right? So how to get that one? How to get this one? How to get this average? df underscore std of average. What is said is correct. Just I'm explaining that. Okay, this is the one I got it. Okay, now this one I want to round it to 1 decimal. So put this one inside the np dot round. Okay, see this np dot round of, put this one inside this. Get it, this one, and put it inside this. That's it. By default it will take 1 decimal. Got it? Now how to update this one over here? How to update it over here? Equals to df underscore std of average. Now this one is, we are getting it, right? I want to save it over here, right here. Okay, now if you remember, first I gave it a total over here. Total is what? np dot nan. Then I changed that nan to 200. How I did it? Identify that particular column and assign a value, right? Now the same thing, identify the original column. Original column is what? Average. How to identify that one, guys? df underscore std of average. Now for this, store this one. This values, store it in this, is equals to np dot round of df underscore std of average. Okay, guys. Now df underscore std is equals to, can you see this? We got the average. Okay, clear? Now I'm not doing the slicing. Have you observed it? We will do it later on. There is a slight complication is there. You have to understand that. Now if I give it like this directly, df underscore std of, I want computers. I got it, right? Now, which format I'm getting, guys, over here? Series. How to get it in the data frame format? Huh? PD dot, बोलो PD dot data frame क्या? This one completely you want to put it on. Huh? Yeah, that's the way you can do it, but that is not the right way. Okay, what you said is correct. ये वाला ले लो, this one, convert into data frame. This is a series. Can we convert the series into data frame? Yes, you can do it. Got it? But this is again a lengthy way. The simplest way is, this is the one we are getting it, right? Remember this one, guys, because always whenever you split the data, you are going to get it in series when you take an individual one. Then what you have to do it, usually when you feed it to the machine learning model, it will not take the series. Either you have to give it in NumPy array or data frame. So here one way is this one, or this is the one we are getting the series, right? Put this one in the double square brackets. Got it? No, this is correct. This is, I'm not saying it's wrong. This is correct. But this is the one which is effective for us. Easy way of doing it. Okay? So whenever you are taking the one single column, usually we will get the output in the form of series. To again remember this very important point, whenever you are feeding the data to the machine learning model, it will not take it in series. Either the data should be in the NumPy array or data frame. This is the way you are doing. Okay, data frame, easily converting it. Okay, guys. Now, any more? Yeah, one more important thing. df underscore std. I want to give the grade. हाँ बोलो, grade कैसे देते हैं? I'm not asking grade column. अच्छा, grade. पूरा बताओ. मुझे भी मालूम है, A होता है, उसके नीचे B होता है, उसके नीचे C होता है. पूरा सिंटैक्स के साथ चाहिए. How many did the pandas? आप लोग कर लिए ना? हाँ, हाँ या ना? भाई साहब ऊपर क्या देख रहा है? झूठ बोल रहा है, दिख रहा है शक्ल में. You did the pandas. You did the pandas. No one will do it. I know that. How to do this one, guys? This is very important. Okay, very very important. How to do this? We did it. We did it earlier. हाँ? भाई कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट यूज करके ही करते, वही बता रहे थे सर जी. पर how you do that, that is more important. Here this is not a single value. This is not a single value. If it is a single value, you can do that. It is not the single value, guys. What is this? This is having the multiple values. So how the basics thing is, if I say what is a grade, now what you will take it? First you will take this one. You will calculate the grade. Grade means maybe A above 80 is A, below 80 and above 60 is B. Now which one comes here? B. Now this one C, maybe below say 70 is C. Okay, this is above 70 and below 80 is B. Now this one A, this one A. Now you are doing individually, taking individual value, right? So there is, I told you something where we can take the individual values and we can apply the things. Tell me where. I know that variation is also works over there, but we did it something else. हमें बताओ, मैं बता दूंगा. क्या बता रहे थे? If अभी नहीं सकते. बस हिला रहे थे ऐसे. हाँ फॉर लूप, हाँ फॉर लूप चला के कर सकते हैं, वो बढ़िया आंसर है। हाँ बताओ कैसे चलाते हैं फॉर लूप? नहीं, what you said is correct. This is what? This is what, guys? What you are going to get it when I'm giving, okay, when I'm giving average, right? I have to calculate over the average. Just think it, guys. Okay? Don't be dependent. You should think independently, because when you are in the situation, you have to do such things only. You can't be dependent on anyone. Okay? Now, what he said is correct. And what he said is also correct. But the thing is that he don't know how to approach. And that guy given an approach, but he don't know how to do that also. What do you get it over here? What do you get it? This is what? Series. Okay, we will get the series of values. Now, this consists of what? Series of values. Can you iterate on the series? Yes. For I in std underscore, sorry, df underscore std average, print I. Got it? Now, this is getting individually. Okay, don't get it like all are been thrown out over here. Import time dot sleep. Okay, guys, 1 second. Now you see this. Okay, we are getting like that individually. Now, next क्या करना है? If I is greater than or equal to 80, then what you will do it? Print क्यों करनी है मुझे? I want to be there in my data frame. Return, not return. This is return will be done from the function. చెప్పండి సార్, కోపంగా ఉన్నారా ఏంటి? నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నా అని. ఇక్కడ రండి కూర్చుందాం, మాట్లాడుకుందాం. Yes guys. New column. First make a new column. Okay, first make a new column, guys. Now this is all is a blunder. What you do that? Okay, I don't want to do this all. Okay, I taught you the other way, simplest way. Where is your nose means here, not here. Okay, don't go that way. Now I will show you. df underscore std is this one. I have to add a dummy grade. What is the dummy value I will put it on, guys? Usually np.nan. Now we got it. Now here you do this. This is again, that's a very good way of thinking. I really appreciate. That's why I'm putting some time in that. Otherwise, I don't need to do that. Now we got it. Okay, clear, guys? Now we got the first value. Okay, we got the first value. Instead of doing this, how to get this one then? How to get this one? This is df underscore std of grade of 0, right? So here, instead of that, you have to generate the values from 0. Remember that. How you will do this? Now I is equals or x is equals to 0. Okay, and here you give it as df underscore std of x is equals to, sorry, grade of x is equals to what you will give it, guys? What is the value you want to give it? Grade a. Now else, if the first person is not 80%, then what you will do it? Else L if, not else, L if I is greater than or equal to 70. Okay, this is automatically, it will come down over there. You know this, because if it is 80, it will go into this. If it is not 80 and greater than 70, only it will come over here. Here, I will give it as B. Okay, next, else C. Can I do this? Now, where the X should upgrade, I'm saying where the X should increment at the last. Okay, first time X value will be 0. Now, what the I value is there, X value is 0. If it is greater than 80, it will say that grade of 0 is A. Or it is not greater than 80, grade of 0 is B. If it is not greater than 70 also, it will say that grade of 0 is C. Now, next time what will happen over here? X will become 1. Then it will go back, get the next value, and it will find out the next one. Okay, let me see this, it works. I've done it randomly. Why it is printing us? It's a warning. I got it. It's a warning, guys, just a warning. I will tell you how to remove these warnings also. This is the way you do it. Okay, clear? That's a very good way of thinking. I really appreciate it. But this is like a, LKG student doing it. Okay. Now there is the one more thing I told you. Okay. What is the other thing? I told you one important thing while we doing with the functions. Lambda function. Lambda function. How will apply the lambda, guys? Now this is what is there. Is this a permanent change? Yeah, it is a permanent change. I want to delete the grade. Or let's give it a grade 1. Okay, I will give a grade 1. Now I will use the lambda function. On what basis we will give the grade? On what basis you will give the grade? Average. DF average. Okay. Oh, sorry. Thanks. This will give me the grade. Average. Right? Dot apply. Apply, I'm doing it. Apply will, what it will do is like, it will take each and every value from the average. First, it will take the 76. Next, it will take the 69. Next, it will take the 80. Next, it will take the 82. Each and every time, it will take one value. And this value, I want to pass it on to a function. What is that function? Lambda. And the function can be accept, lambda will accept the parameters, right? It will accept one parameter. What the parameter name? We'll take it as X. Now, first time, apply will get one, which one? 76. 76 will be there where? In X. Now, apply the if condition. If condition. How you will apply the if condition over here? If comprehension. If X is greater than or equal to 80, then what you will do it? Before A. Here we will give it A over here. Else, if this condition is false, else if condition again, if X is greater than or equal to 70, what you are going to give it? B. Before this if, you are going to give it B over here. Okay, guys? And then else C. Now you can give it as big as possible. Now you can give it C over here. Got it, guys? So here what happens is, it will take, apply will take the first condition, first value. First value will be stored in where? X. X is greater than 80, then it will return it A. right? Then it will terminate then and there. If it is not greater than 80, then what happens? It will go into else part. In the else part, there is one more if condition is there. Now this one, x is greater than 70. If it is true, then B will be coming into the picture. Else C will be coming into this. Okay, guys. Now this we have done it n number of times. We have done it. Now this we are going to get the output over here. Can you see it? But is this a permanent change? No. Where you have to apply this one? df underscore grade. But grade is already there. I will give it as grade 1. No need of creating the grade 1 with a dummy variable. You can give it as grade 1. df underscore std of grade. Okay. df underscore std. Now you see. Sorry, I should have given the grade 1 over here. Now you see grade 1 also we got the same. Okay. This is a second way of doing it. Remember this. There is one more way is called as map dot dictionary also combination we can use it. That I will tell you while doing with the machine learning. There is one more way is np dot select. Yeah, np dot select. Now this will take the two parameters, guys. One is the condition. Based on the condition, what is the value? Okay, one is the condition, and based on the condition, what is the value? Let's take the condition first. It will take the two parameters. I'm just putting on over here. Now I'm telling you three different ways. Remember, any one is enough for you. Now this is the best you can go with. All the time it will work. Every time it will work. This is also it will work each and every time. There's one more way is there. I'm going to tell you. This we will give the condition, comma, and result. Based on the condition, what is the result? The both you have to give it. Now let's keep the conditions, guys. What is the first condition of ours? What is the first condition? Huh? What is greater than 80? Ayya ekkada undi ida? Adi marchipo, paidi marchipo. Average ekkada undi? అవన్నీ అడగాల. df underscore std of average. Average is greater than or equal to 80. First condition is 80. Now let's take the second condition. What is the second condition? df underscore std of average is greater than or equal to 70. Next one is df underscore std average less than 70. Less than 70 because CA. Okay, clear? 70. Now these three, put it in a list. Put it in a list. How many conditions? 3 conditions. There can be 10 conditions also. Put all of them in a list. Okay. Now how you will create a list? Comma. Pull this one up and comma. Pull this one up. Now put a square brackets. Right? Yes. Is this a list or not? Now for your convenience, you can put it this one inside one more bracket also for your understanding. It's not mandatory again. Just for your understanding, I'm doing it. First condition, second condition, and third condition. Okay, guys. 3 conditions I got it. This list I will give it a name as C and D. Okay, this list I'm giving a name as C and D. Now I will run this one. Clear? Now I will take, this is a condition. I told you condition, we got it over here. Now what is that? Result. What is the output should be for a particular condition? That is, I will say that result is equals to first condition output should be A. Give it A over here. Second condition output should be B. Next condition output is Okay. Now you created both that. A condition list. Okay. Now, okay, this is coming up all those things. Just ignore this. Okay. This we created the condition list and we did the result over here. Then what I will do it np.select. Inside this put the condition followed by result. Chinda, got it? Now where you have to put this one? And put it in the grade 1. That's it. Simply add it to the grade 1. EF underscore STD of grade 2. Huh? Got it, guys? So there's a 3 different ways you did it. Okay. Now the 4th way is, first one is you can ignore it. That is really a difficult one. 4th way is copy this. That is, now whatever we are learning it, don't look it from the average calculation point of view. This is used for converting a categorical data into numerical data. Okay, what is a categorical data? Huh? What is numerical data then? Non-categorical data. Numbers. Okay, numbers is called as numerical data. Categorical data is non-numerical data. What is said is correct. Okay, non-numerical data. When the data is not numerical, that comes under the category of categorical. And your machine learning model will never understand categorical data. It will never understand the categorical data. So these are some of the mechanisms you can use it to convert a categorical data into numerical data. This is called as encoding techniques. Now these techniques are related to whatever you are learning is related to that of Python pandas. The people who are working with the Python, who are good with the Python, only they will know this. And there are like sklearn mechanisms are also there. One-hot encoding, label encoding, and nominal encoding, and all those things will be there. Sorry, label encoding and ordinal encoding is there. That comes under the sklearn. So that you can use it by doing the sklearn library. For this, no need of sklearn. You can do it with NP and PD. And what is the beauty of this one is you can apply it to the binary classification. You can apply it for the multi-class classification. Anything you can do. Whereas one-hot encoding is used for only binary classification. Ordinal encoding is used for the multi-class classification. For each and everything, you are having a different thing. But this one is really very powerful because you can apply the same thing for the multi-level or 2 levels, anything you can do. These 3 are very important. Now, the 4th one is in this place, I want you to do that. In this place, you can apply np.where. Okay, in the place of lambda, you apply where over here. Sorry, in the place of if condition, you can apply np.where. We have done that one, I think so, right? You told me, right? np.where. Tell me. np.where of which one you are going to consider? Where is the value? Where is the value inside this? See, this average is having a list of values, right? Series of values. This will be each and every value we are going to get it. Each and every value will be stored in X. X is having the value. Apply the X condition over here. X is greater than or equal to 80. Then A. Give it A. Else, if it is false, then we will give a one more where condition over here. np.where X is greater than 70, comma, I will give it as B, comma, C. Okay, guys. Now, I strongly recommend you to go through the where condition because these are very, very important. That's why I said it. Lambda, where, and you know, this map is there. I am not using the map again. You will be lost completely. So remember these two. At least these two you remember. This is the first one. Where is this? Not this. This one is optional. Select is optional for you. If you want to do it, do it. Otherwise, you can leave it. But this one is pretty important, guys. Lambda. They will definitely ask you the question how you want to apply the lambda function for encoding techniques. So with apply lambda combination and here apply and where combination. Now here I will give it as 1, 2, 3. I will give it 3. Let me run it. Oh, there is a mistake. Is there? First one is this. Second one is this. Third one is this. I give it one extra. Okay. df underscore std. Can you see this? All the four are working for you. Okay, guys. Now this is nothing but I'm connecting you directly to your EDA because EDA giving everything over there, you will be lost completely. So I wanted you to practice it right now. From here only you can prepare it for your EDA. Now this is what you have done. It is encoding techniques. Okay. Now as an assignment, what you do it is take a dictionary. Okay, take a dictionary and give it name of the employee. Write down. You are listening stories. Okay, take a dictionary. Take the name of the employee. All the names of the employee. Okay, and then take the designation, guys. Take the designation. Okay, so in this way you will be having it. So let me write it down over here. Guys, this is very important. The more and more comfortable you are, you can play with the your EDA techniques. Now, if you, whatever the efforts you have put on in the Python, that is okay, good. But this is what is it's very easy, very, very easy. Simply you have to work it out with this. Once you do it, you will get it. First one is get the employee ID or employee ID, and then you do the employee name and employee designation and employee salary, salary. Okay. Now, based on the designation, I want you to give the percentage, high percent. Now, you can apply. First, you create a dictionary with only these three. Okay, create a dictionary with these three, and then you have to create a new column called as high. You have to create a new column called as hike over here. Hike. And hike should be calculated based on E designation. E designation. And what are the mechanisms you are going to use it? I don't want the for loop, please. I don't want it. If you want to practice, you can practice it. Apply with lambda and np.select, then np.apply with np.where. These are the three mechanisms I want you to be perfect with. Okay, clear, guys? And next one, can I take a movie name. And take a review of the first person. Review means from 1 to 5. You should give it 1 to 5. Then take the review of second person. Take the review of third person. D and E. Okay. Calculate the average review. How you will calculate the average review? చెప్పి ఇంటియాలే యాడ్ చేస్తే డివైడ్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది కరెక్టే add it and divide it. Okay, you will get the average. Then I want you to put it on. Okay, sorry, review or something. What is the status of the movie? It is a status of the movie. What do you call it? The status antara the name hit flop name antara you కూడా తీసుకున్నాం కదా ఇంకోటి ఏమంటారు రేటింగా ఇది రేటింగ్ అంటారు స్టేటస్ తీసుకో ఓకే so you have to give it like status of the movie whether it is a hit or it is a flop or it is an average or a good. On what basis? Review average is greater than 4 or 3.5. 3.5 it is an hit, okay, or it is an excellent movie, you can say it. Now average is greater than 2.5 and less than 3.5, then I will say it as an good movie. Or let me make it as 4 over here. Above 4 I will say it as a hit, straight hit. And here 3 to 4 I will say it as good movie. Okay, and average is greater than 2 to 3 and less than 3, then I will say that this is an, sorry, this should be 4 guys, not 4, less than 4, this should be average, and other is flop. Okay, yes, review range is 0 to 5. Satyajit, verdict, super clear. Thank you guys. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience caused today. And yeah, please practice this. And we are going to do some more things on the rows tomorrow. And we will do it.